I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What resources do you like for teaching social skills to middle and high school kids? We really need help with this. There's a lot of resources out there. There's a lot of box sets. There's a lot of great published curriculums. And I like to kind of peruse those and look at those and get some ideas and maybe some activities and things like that. But the bigger piece of it is what we do in front of them and the opportunities we give them to use the skills they don't have. Now, I know this sounds a little strange. People say, well, Polly, why would I let kids have conversations when their conversations always go south? Well, here's the thing. If they have poor conversation skills, you've got to give them more opportunities to have conversation. So instead of phone breaks, right? A lot of schools are giving phone breaks, which work really well for kids who have difficulty not putting their phones down. But there also need to be conversation breaks. No media, no screen in front of you, just talk. More opportunities to interact. The more you practice it, the better you get at it. And we, the adults, have to actually sit down and have conversations, like just conversations like, hey, how you doing today? So again, and think about the skills they don't have. Even make a list of those skills. Maybe it's group skills, conversation, passing in the hall, how to eat in the cafeteria, responding to a put down or an insult. If you make a list of those and then go back to the skill, is it that they're not self-aware, socially aware, they don't know how to make responsible decisions, they're defensive, whatever they might be feeling, and then create actual situations that embed kids in a environment where they have to use those skills. And you're right there to coach it. And you're just coaching it and coaching it. And the more they do it, the better they get at it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.